Measuring for new vinyl board and batten shutters requires minimal time and basic equipment. This video will help you evaluate the best approach for successful installation. Vinyl exterior shutters mount permanently to the building just outside of the window. Ideally, each shutter should measure half of the window width to replicate the appearance on working shutters that can swing over the window. Size limitations may not allow the shutters to equal exactly half of the window width, so it may be necessary to order a size slightly narrower than ideal. Do not use shutters that are greater than half of the window width. Occasionally, an obstacle can prevent the shutters from being used on both sides of the window. It is acceptable to use a full-width shutter installed on one side of the window. Wide windows require appropriately sized shutters, which in concept should also appear to be functional. Some windows are simply too wide for the shutters to conform to standard guidelines. If concessions need to be made, attempt to realistically stay within the easily divisible portions of the window. Board and batten shutters are made with 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or 8 vertical boards traversed by horizontal battens. Closed weave boards are positioned tight against one another. Open weave shutters are arranged with a 3/4 inch gap between boards. Shutterland board and batten shutters can be manufactured in a multitude of configurations, which are specified in greater detail at shutterland.com. Each has a unique profile for use in a variety of applications. We will quickly review them all so that you know your options. Archtop shutters are built to replicate the contour of archtop windows. The required spring line is the distance from the top of the shutter to the start of the arch. Measure the window width from the far left of the window trim to the same point on the opposite side. Divide that measurement by 2 for the approximate shutter width. Technically, the shutter height should align with the window opening height. This approach is the most historically accurate. However, wide trim can cause the shutters to look short in comparison. We often use the approach that gives more symmetry to the presentation and select to install stationary shutters the full height of the window casing. Exterior shutters should not exceed the window height. Measure the height from the top edge of the window trim to the same point at the bottom. Screws will secure a shutter at each intersection between the horizontal battens and outside vertical boards of closed weave shutters. Open weave shutters need additional screws at the remaining intersections. Inspect the siding surface to ensure stable mounting points. This is a great time to select the shutter finish color. Choose from a wide array of molded through standard colors. Note that the boards and battens can be different colors. For shutters that will be painted after receipt, select the paintable option. Vinyl shutters are manufactured with a wood grain surface to enhance visual interest. Record dimensions, color, and shutter configuration. Then return to shutterland.com to place your order. Once your shutters are delivered, check out our installation video to get your shutters up safely and quickly. Shutterland is committed to helping find the best exterior shutters for your windows. Visit shutterland.com for more information. Please like this video and subscribe to the Shutterland channel if you found this video helpful.